It is the sesame seed. We're going to fry sesame seed here. खै भुट न सबै. It is also chili, red chili and dry. We're going to fry on the oil, in oil. It's a tomato, the boiling here right now. It's garlic for sauce and keema. For keema, momo keema. उसलाई त पर्दैन हैन यो त ससलाई पर्छ. Okay, for it means only for momos, keema, the garlic, the onion, and see. We are preparing the sauce, the momo sauce, and it's the boiling tomato. La eta फर्काउनु पर्ने. And the garlic and it is fried chili. You can mix in your taste. If you don't like, you cannot use. You know. But we are use hot sauce. That's why we are add here and onion pani halne. Okay. Little bit onion, and then salt. Okay, it's a salt, so you can add salt in your taste. भयो? Okay. It's coriander leaf and this one. It is for okay. We are mixed making dough for the momo. 무차 넣어 무차.
This is onion for keema.
Okay, it's ready for momo. If you want, if you can more Again, more fine chop. Buff keema for momo. There you go. We've got it done now. And then it is chopping onion. It's buff 1 kilogram and it is around 200 kilogram. Chop onion. And it is 50 gram maybe. Chopped garlic. And it's a coriander, right? It's coriander leaf here. It's also chopped already, chopped. And it is salt. This half teaspoon. It's, you can add your in your taste. And it is coriander grind masala and 1 spoon, and it is momo masala. It's momo. It's where's 50 gram. So we're going to add mama. 2 tin nan lai alai 3 spoon 3 boy ki 4 wa
4
3 spoon and a little bit more, and then we are going to add it's 1 2 3 spoon, and we're going to mix. Nun bana le na sabai hale khosani isin ke and it's chili paste, chili powder, not paste. Is this dough for momo? You garlic on garno pare na, sorry. Yes. We have to clear the oil for this to take out the momo. They lamb boy choke. पिठोमा पेलेको निरामन 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9
हजुर सबैले
तेल एकछिन लाउँदा हुन्छ अनि
त्यो बिरुको पनि रहेछ अहिले पोकिन्छ त्यो बिरुको खोइ उसले उचालेर लगेर बसाल्छ
ready to fight. Rasta is going for cooking. Our momo is ready, and here is the momo sauce, and here is another lot of mama. Okay, and
त्यसपछि डल्लो खर्च चाहिएको
food dry गर्नु
हातले खानु पर्ने चम्चो छैन
We are Nepali.
नेपाली यस
ल
दाम भयो
त्यही त
मेरो
मम्मी?
मम्मीलाई चाहिँ मोमो चाख्छु
How is it? Isnela?
so delicious
धेरै मिठो मिठो भइसक्यो आज
भन्नु न त के अब
होइन कि धेरै मिठो भेरी डेलिसियस
उनीहरूलाई क्या थाहा त मैले खाइसक्यो